Now it's time to understand food spoilage, and this is Module 5 of the course, another essential part of your learning journey as a responsible food handler. Understanding spoilage is vital for every food handler. It protects your customers from foodborne illness, reduces waste, and keeps your workplace reputation strong. By the end of this module, you will learn what food spoilage means and what causes it, the different types of foods based on how quickly they spoil, the main signs of spoiled food, how to control and minimize food spoilage, and why vigilance and cleanliness are essential for food quality and safety. What is food spoilage? Food spoilage is the process of deterioration or decomposition of food that makes it unsafe or unpleasant to eat. Spoiled food often shows clear changes in color, smell, texture, or taste, signs that it should not be consumed. Spoilage means food is no longer fit for consumption and must be discarded safely. Types of food by spoilage rate. Perishable foods spoil quickly and require refrigeration. Examples: milk, fish, meat, and leafy vegetables. Semi-perishable foods spoil more slowly but still need proper storage. Examples: potatoes, carrots, apples, and onions. Non-perishable foods can last long without spoiling if kept dry and sealed. Examples: grains, legumes, sugar, and flour. Connection between food types and spoilage. Earlier, you learned that foods can be raw, high risk, or low risk depending on how easily bacteria can grow in them. This idea connects closely with how quickly foods spoil. High-risk foods like cooked meat, dairy, and ready-to-eat meals are usually perishable. They spoil quickly and need refrigeration. Raw foods like meat, fish, and vegetables can also spoil fast if not handled or stored properly. Low-risk foods like dry or acidic products like pickles, jam, or sugar are often non-perishable. They last longer and resist bacterial growth. Understanding this relationship helps you decide how to store, inspect, and handle each food safely, protecting both quality and safety. Causes of food spoilage. Number 1, microorganisms. Bacteria, molds, yeasts, and enzymes break down food. Pest infestation, insects or rodents. Examples: weevils in flour or flies on meat. Physical damage, freezer burns or bruising cause texture and quality loss. Chemical contamination. Food can absorb strong odors or residues from cleaning agents. Factors that accelerate spoilage. Poor temperature or humidity control during storage. Failure to protect food from contamination. Infestation by pests, especially insects. Always stay alert. Look for signs of spoilage before using or serving food. Give special attention to perishable foods. They spoil fastest and pose the greatest risk. Always remember, handling spoiled food can lead to serious consequences. Negligence can cost your job. Signs of spoiled food. Recognizing early signs of spoilage helps prevent unsafe food from reaching consumers. Below are the most common warning signs every food handler should watch out for. Number 1, bad odor. Caused by bacterial growth, protein breakdown, or mold development. Spoiled food often smells sour, rotten, or unpleasant. Swollen cans, a sign of gas production from bacterial activity, caused by poor sealing, punctures, or contamination. Never open or taste food from a swollen can. Mold growth. Visible black, blue, or green mold, often with moisture inside packaging. Indicates fungal growth. Discard immediately. Off flavor. Unusual or unpleasant taste caused by bacterial growth, fat rancidity, or odor absorption. Color change. Meat turning gray, brown, or green, often with a bad smell, is a clear sign of spoilage. Food drying out results from improper sealing, long storage, or freezer burn. Indicates food has lost moisture and quality. Controlling food spoilage. Preventing spoilage is easier and safer than dealing with its consequences. Here are the main steps every food handler must follow to minimize spoilage. Inspect food carefully upon receipt. Check freshness and temperature. Check expiration dates before storage or use. Report any sign of spoilage to your supervisor immediately. Separate high-risk foods from raw or unclean foods. Protect and cover food at all times. Clean and disinfect work areas, equipment, and tools regularly. Hygiene is our first defense. Keep hands, tools, and work areas clean at all times. Time and temperature control are key. Never leave perishable foods at room temperature for long. Always separate foods. Keep raw and ready-to-eat foods apart. Proper storage saves food. Each food type must be stored at its correct temperature and humidity. Reject spoiled food immediately. Never accept or use food that looks or smells questionable. Always remember, clean hands, correct storage, and quick action are the best tools against food spoilage. Final recap, Module 5. Food spoilage is the deterioration of food, making it unsafe to eat. It can be caused by microbes, pests, chemical exposure, or poor handling. Watch for odor, color, flavor, or texture changes. These are danger signs. Prevent spoilage through inspection, proper storage, cleanliness, and reporting. Food safety starts with awareness, attention, and teamwork. Always remember, every spoiled item avoided is one customer protected. Prevention is always better than waste.
Before you go, subscribe to the Global FSMS channel for clear, practical food safety guidance. If this video helped you, like it and share it with your team. For complete study material, practical resources, and exam practice tests, visit www.globalfsms.com. Global Food Safety Management System, designed to help you advance your career and strengthen operational excellence.